Hello! Today we're going to take a look at hosting a WebEx meeting that you didn't set up. Sometimes this might be necessary, such as when you have a regularly scheduled meeting that the host can't attend, or if the host is running late. This is a three-step process that begins with the host creating the room. To begin, open up a web browser. If you are faculty or staff, go to cwru.webex.com. If you are a student, go to cwru-students.webex.com. Once there, click on the Login button and sign in using your CWRU network ID and password. From the side menu under the Host a Meeting section, click on Schedule a Meeting. Click on the Advanced Scheduler link at the top of the screen, then enter in a meeting topic and click Next. On the Date and Time page, select the option to allow attendees to join the meeting before the start time. Generally, 5 to 10 minutes beforehand is a good amount of time. Continue through the Advanced Scheduler or click to return to the Quick Scheduler, then schedule your meeting. Once the meeting has been scheduled, we'll need to complete the second part of the process for starting a meeting without the host. After scheduling the meeting, the host should select My Meetings from the WebEx side menu, then find the upcoming meeting. Click on the name of the meeting, which will take you to the meeting information page. Once here, click on the More Information link. Find the host key. This is the piece of information that the host will need to send to the person who will be starting the meeting on their behalf. Be careful with this code. Anyone who has access can claim the host role within the meeting, so make sure to only send it to people who need it. You should also receive a copy of the host key in the host email that is sent to your CWRU email account. The final step of this process is opening the meeting room once the meeting time has arrived. The user with the host key can now open the room for everyone without the host being present. To do this, navigate to the meeting URL from your invitation email. If you are not logged in with your CWRU network ID and password, you will be prompted to enter in your name and email address. Then you will need to click the Join button. If you have joined a WebEx meeting before, you may not see this next screen. Otherwise, you will be prompted to install the Cisco Meeting Center application. This is a small piece of software that makes joining a WebEx meeting a seamless experience. You will only need to install the add-on once, so go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts to start the installation. If you decide against installing the add-on, you can click the link at the bottom of the page to run a temporary application. Follow the on-screen prompts to launch the meeting. Once the WebEx meeting has launched, it will open in a new window. The user can now enter the host code into the meeting room to get things started. To do this, click on the Participants menu and select Reclaim Host Role. Enter in the host key, then click OK. You'll now have the role as host within the meeting and can make changes to the meeting as needed. If you have questions or concerns, please contact the ITS Service Desk at 368-HELP or at help.case.edu. Thanks for watching!